Best exhaust mod for V8 Camaro. Muffy D, guys, all right? Get rid of this big-ass pancake of a muffler. It sucks, all right? Got some quads going on there. Let me show you what we're doing over here. Come on. All right, we're slapping these pipes. We're gonna be like, boom, slap tips, slap ass. All right, and then boom, we got the quads on there. Best inexpensive muffler kit for a V8 Camaro is the Muffy D, guys, all right? So if you're not in Florida, you go to your local muffler shop and we get a Muffy D, then we're like, what's a Muffy D? Well, G Exhaust does it in South Florida, right? It's chopping off the muffler. It's patented trademark technology. So you go in there and be like, yeah, G Exhaust owns Muffy D, but I'm gonna do a Muffy D. You guys just can't use it. So best modification. You wanna keep it relatively cheap on this car. V8 Camaros, they sound sick without a muffler. So chopping off, running some pipes, running some quads on there. Dual 3.5-inch stainless steel tips. It's gonna look fly. It's gonna look super fly. So boom ski. To continue about this exhaust, stock system has 2 AFM valves. These are active fuel management valves. Mike would have asked me about that, but he's not doing this video. I'm doing the video, guys. This is G, all right? Mike would have known about it if I would have told him, but just so you guys know, AFM valves, active fuel management, all right? You could bypass them in the future. You have some AWE active fuel management plates that you could slap on there, bypass the active fuel management system if you want to get a little bit more risque, you know? But otherwise, leave it on there. It controls all the fuel. Dump it into 4-cylinder mode. And when you're shifting, it sounds like a little 4-banger. X-pipe on there, nice little stamped X-pipe. Camaros, Corvettes usually have a pretty good X-pipe on there from factory. But if you're a Mustang, not so much. Shit, resonator, garbage, all right? Super restrictive, no flow whatsoever. Camaro knows how to do it, all right? Camaro, shit, got something in my eyes. Continues on. This weird ass over stabilization pipe. They're doing a little bit too much here. It looks like a little mini roller coaster. And pipes continue into some secondary tats here, and then some primary tats. We do not touch those. Shout out to the EPA, baby. So also, you got these crimped pipes here. That's for clearance purposes, all right? Garbage. That's not doing anything for your flow, guys. So imagine when you're taking a poop and it's constipated, that's what it looks like right here, all right? Constipation in the exhaust pipes, all right? You don't want that. You gotta eliminate that in the future. So when you do a full cap patch, hopefully Borla, shout out to Borla, best system on the market, best system in the world. Borla's where it's at, guys. They make a solid mid pipe for this thing, all 3-inch piping, gets rid of the AFM valves, and then no more constipation, guys. So Dukalax it is, Borla system, full flow, power, baby. Muffy D, all done, guys. Got the quad tips set up on there. We're taking those valve actuators off. We're slapping them back on there so you don't get no check engine light. We're gonna zip tie them right here in the corner. Got everything set, painted up, black powder coated paint job. Comes with a 5-year warranty at G Exhaust only. And then we're gonna crank this bitch. Make it sound good. Muffy D, all done, guys. Mike, what'd you need?
All right, let us go out of town.